Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to change the iPhone passcode or password. Now if you have kept the password on your iPhone but you don't know how to change it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to change your iPhone passcode or password, then the thing is that you need to simply open settings on your iPhone. So if you don't know settings, the settings is like the gear like icon at the very bottom, or you may also find on the homepage of your device. So this is the settings homepage where you'll see various options on the bottom under the settings icon. So you may simply choose the options of Face ID and passcode. So you need to scroll down until you see the option of Face ID and passcode. So you need to click on the option of Face ID and passcode. Currently you need to enter your password, so you need to click on the enter the password which you have currently kept. And after doing all of it, you'll see the option of use Face ID for iPhone unlock, iTunes and App Store, contact clicks and payments and all of it. So you need to scroll down until you see the option of password. So here you will see the option of turn password off or change passcode. So click on the option of change password, and to change the passcode you need to currently enter the passcode which you have kept on a device. I'll simply enter it. Now you need to enter your new password, and you will also see the option of password option. So click on the option of password option, and you may click 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, a custom numeric code, or custom alphanumeric code. So I'll simply click on the option of custom code, and I'll simply keep the new passcode for my device by doing all of it. So that's it. That's how you can change the iPhone password or passcode on a device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.